Hi, I'm Angus Grady from Customised Research. Is this the sound of your LinkedIn profile? Has it been making this noise for long? It's fallen asleep because you think that just being on LinkedIn is enough. Wrong. If you don't use your LinkedIn profile, then you will never get to use the F words, found and find. Wake it up now and start finding new connections and customers. Get found for being the expert. Build a reputation for being the best in your sector, the go-to person. Give your personal and company page a cold shower and get it moving. It will never achieve your X and Ys if it's full of Zs. Give us a call here at Customise and we'll help you put some zip back into your sluggish LinkedIn marketing.